In today's video, I am going to show you how to draw a simple and attractive house using Microsoft Paint. Let's start the video. Select the line from the toolbar. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Drag on the canvas to draw a large rectangle. This will be the base of the house. Select the triangle tool. Draw a triangle on the top of the rectangle by clicking to set the 3 points of the roof. Select the line from the toolbar and drag it like this. Use the erase tool to clean up any mistakes or stray line. Select the rectangle, draw it like this. This will be the door. Draw 2 small rectangles like this. This will indicate lock of the door. Now we will create window structure like this. Use the erase tool to clean up any mistakes or stray line. One more window will be created here also. To add shadow, fill the color using fill tool. Now you know how to draw a simple house using MS Paint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.